every trip has something to offer, but being able to have such a tangible impact on something, whereas like also learning about sustainability and being able to work with such a impactful organization like GHE and being able to meet such like wonderful people, members of the team, I think it's such an incredible opportunity that, I don't think anybody is able to pass up on. I don't know how anybody has passed up on it.
I also think above all, like putting so much effort into coming on, like trekking all the way over these mountains, coming all the way over to Ladakh in such a remote space, and just personally helping these people put in rocket stoves and electrify monasteries. It was just like, it was so personal and so like genuine, like the effort that we're putting in, that I don't know, it just felt like so purposeful, like really special.